Let's go explore some of the most beautiful beaches in Sri Lanka, and I will also tell you some fun activities to do in the south.
This is really nice and it's so gorgeous.
That is a massive crocodile, and he looks a lot more aggressive, so I'm gonna step back actually. So I'm gonna sip my cinnamon tea and you see how it's made. If the turtles won't come to me, I'll go to the turtle. In the last video, I took you to the beautiful city of Galle for a magical sunset, as well as the beachside town of Unawatuna. So, if you haven't seen that video, click on the link above so you can get some more relevant information. Let's start the journey with Forest Beach. This is quite a small beach when you first get there, and it has beautiful golden sand. I think I'm gonna spend the whole day here because this is so nice and beautiful, and after traveling so much around Sri Lanka, I need a day off to just, not do anything and just be at the beach. Good morning, it's about 6 a.m. and I'm heading to Mirissa to watch... No, I'm not gonna tell you. Let's go check it out. Alright, so this is the pier of Mirissa and this is where we leave, and pretty much all boats just go from here. Let's not waste time, let's get on. It's almost 7 o'clock. If you like beaches and gorgeous islands, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so I can bring you some more. It is a little bit of a weird thing, but I didn't really enjoy the whale watching experience for a few reasons. I came to Mirissa quite early in the morning and we started off, in the morning before it gets really hot. So we saw some dolphins. That was quite nice, but the problem is because there are so many of these huge boats with massive engines, and dolphins are really sensitive to noise. The moment they hear the ships coming, they just run away. That wasn't really fun, you could only see them running away basically. We did get to see a few pilot whales, again from quite a distance, and no blue whales. So if you want to do it, I would honestly recommend spend a little bit more money and go with a smaller boat from Mirissa rather than going with these big boats, because they just pack so many people in. It wasn't the same experience. I've done a lot of this, and this was probably the most underwhelming experience. Still, I quite enjoyed it because I got to see some dolphins, some pilot whales, and some turtles. So yeah, I am at the Coconut Beach, by the way. This is the beach of Mirissa, and this is a lot better than the beach in Unawatuna. I honestly really like it. It's really gorgeous, and this is the hill of coconut trees, which is also really beautiful. I'm gonna spend some time here chilling, just getting some food, and then there's another little fun thing to do. Yeah, wait for that and we'll do it together. This is really nice and it's so gorgeous, and it's really popular with the surfers. Let me show you why. Come. The waves here make it the perfect spot for the surfers, so it's a great chance if you want to learn or if you're experienced to come here and enjoy this beautiful beach while enjoying surfing. I honestly really enjoyed the Coconut Tree Hill a lot more than the whale watching, but then can you blame me? It is really gorgeous. Look at that gorgeous wave, it's so beautiful. If you like Instagramming, this is one place you definitely don't want to miss in Sri Lanka. I like this a lot more than the Unawatuna Beach. That beach is also really gorgeous, but it's really packed. This is more like small sections of a few beaches, so they're not that busy. I'm gonna spend a little bit of time here and then we continue on. I want to do a local boat tour on the river, and apparently you can see how the spices are processed, which I've never seen before.
So I'm quite keen to learn about that. Yeah, see you in a bit.
This is the Koga Lake and we're going for a little ride on the lake. There are a lot of mangroves here and you can like circle, I think there's 7 islands, and you can get off one and see how cinnamon's made, which I'm quite excited about. Let's go check it out. I know it's kind of tempting to just stay at the beach, but I would definitely recommend doing this activity. I really enjoyed being on the boat and it brings you so much closer to the natural life as well here. Here we are with the resident, a local, and we're gonna ask him how he feels about living on the lake. Sir, oh my god, Sir's father has arrived.
Yeah.
And he looks a lot more aggressive, so I'm gonna step back actually.
It's coming.
Yeah. It's not a good thing that they feed them, but I can't do anything about it. Okay, it's getting interesting. Oh my god, aren't these the most adorable things ever? Oh, this is the father. Hello sir, how you doing? He's not interested in talking to me. Bye! Can you see that white outline? That is a massive crocodile. It's kind of hard to get it on film, but my god, he's huge. Wow. Mangroves are an essential part of life. They're fish nurseries, they stop the soil from erosion, they stop big waves. There's tons and tons and tons of life. And this one is special because it's not just essential, it's also really pretty. Look who we found! Another crocodile. So I'm here to see how cinnamon is made, which is quite exciting. I've seen the plant before, so I'm gonna sip my cinnamon tea and you see how it's made with me. This is the cinnamon.
Dragon is a brown color. Dragon is a brown color. Is a no sun. This is a shadow.
After 10 days, it has this beautiful smell. If you want to make powder, this is how you do it.
To make a powder, to make a cinnamon tea, cake, pudding, pancake, apple pie, coffee, yeah.
So this is the cinnamon tree, and this one's quite small, but it's called the mother of all spices because not only is the bark used, the tree's roots, leaves, everything is used, even stems. So it's a really interesting plant. And what's more interesting is every part of the plant smells different. So only the bark smells like the cinnamon, you know? This actually smells like curry, and the roots smell more like Vicks Vapor Rub, you know, the one you put to open your nose when you're sick. It's quite a magical plant. Interesting. And they also make powder, they make oil as well, which is great if you have toothache or headache, or if you just want to use it as an essential oil. I actually really enjoyed it. That was a lot more fun than I imagined, and I would definitely recommend Koga Lake. So we are heading next to the beach for some other fun. Let's go. I am at the Unawatuna Beach to do something that's also become a signature of the south of Sri Lanka, and it is really fun. I'm here for the swing. The beach itself is also quite beautiful, although it's not too big, and you can easily walk around, and you will get to see some other swings at some other places. But this one was recommended by my guide, and I actually really liked it. And we spent the whole afternoon up until the sunset, and that's the time when the swing really becomes popular. Another absolutely beautiful day ends in Sri Lanka. Good morning from Sri Lanka. It's my last day and I'm sad. No, I'm joking. Just want to have a really good last full day, and I'm starting the day on the Turtle Beach, hoping to see a couple of them here. They usually come around, but I'm not sure. Let's go check out if we see any. I'm not surprised there are no turtles here. You know, this place is packed with people. And maybe they have some turtles in the night or like early in the morning, but not at this time. Not that many people around. I think mainly because the beach is really calm, because all these rocks stop the waves from coming in. So you have a lot of kids there, which is not my thing, so I'm gonna move on to a different beach. If the turtles won't come to me, I'll go to the turtles. So this is the sanctuary, a hatchery and a conservation project for turtles. Let's go check it out. So this is the Koga Lake turtle hatchery and a hospital for these beautiful creatures, and I really recommend you come here for a few reasons. One, they teach you about how many different species there are and what sort of things they eat, how they interact with their nature, etc. They also collect their eggs and help them hatch, so increasing their population, and they also take care of the turtles that are injured because of motorboat accidents or because of nets or because they've lost some limbs and they need to fit some prosthetics which come from different parts of the world. But probably the saddest thing to see is how many are there here because they've been eating plastic, and they can't dive anymore because of all the plastic in their system, so they have to keep them for 3 to 6 months to clear out their systems, and then they can go back, and a lot of them have to do this again and again. So if you don't do anything else, please stop the use of single-use plastics. Not for my sake, but for their sake. Look how beautiful they are. But do come here, they're really beautiful. And don't touch them. Which beaches should you go to in Sri Lanka? The variety and the choice is incredibly amazing. My recommendation is the more further south you go and the more east you go, the more secluded the beaches are. Right now, the beaches in Unawatuna as well as Mirissa and all those places are completely packed. I'm coming from there. This is Tangal, and this place is literally empty. If you don't believe me, I'll show you. So, come further south or east, you will get a much better choice, much better quality, and a lot more fun. This is the gorgeous Tangal beach, but I'm not here for the beach. I'm actually here for one of the most amazing luxury Ayurvedic spas that you can have in Sri Lanka. Let's go check it out. Since it is my last day, I'm going to spend the rest of the afternoon here getting some amazing Ayurvedic treatments. If you want to find out more, I made a separate video showing you not only the spa but also the resort. So click the link above and check it out. This is all from Sri Lanka, I'm afraid. 2 weeks went by so quickly, I didn't even realize. I had a blast and I just can't wait to return to this country. Don't forget to check out my other Sri Lanka videos. And if you're heading there, do give my love to this beautiful country. Guys, this is Brown Boy Travels. Let me know what you think of the video in the comment section. If I've missed something, please let me know. Also, give me some suggestions about your country. I will see you in the next video. Until then, you have an amazing day ahead. Mwah.